Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wattpad, read and publish stories step by step clearly. To log into Wattpad, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.wattpad.com and press enter. Once the Wattpad homepage loads, look for the login button. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your credentials. If you signed up with an email address, select the email option. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you created your account using social media, choose the appropriate option. Your options may include Facebook, Google, or Apple. Click on the corresponding social media icon to proceed. After entering your credentials, click the login button at the bottom. If your information was entered correctly, you will be taken to your Wattpad homepage. If you encounter any issues, ensure your email and password are correct. You can also click on Forgot Password to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, you can start reading or publishing stories right away. Explore various genres using the search bar. To publish your own story, click on the right button. Follow the prompts to create and share your story with the Wattpad community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.